final year BE Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Engineering. Today we are exploring Vinci games at Y Combinator back startup creating next Zen multiplayer VR games. Let's begin with the problem they are tackling. The VR space is still missing high quality, deeply social competitive games, especially in genres like sports or hybrid genres that can rival console title in immersion. Also, many VR platforms have far fewer apps per user, leaving a big gap to solve that. Vinci game offer genres defining multiplayer VR title that combine strong gameplay, social mechanics and rich features. Their flash backdrop hooks became one of the top rated VR games. They also launched Ruffle Nuts, blending creature catching, physics, and fun locomotion in VR, already gaining tracks with high user rating. That's their value to bring VR game that aren't just novelists but full-fledged entertainment experience.
Now, who are their customers and how do they reach them? The primary users are VR gamers and people who own headsets like MetaQuest, StreamVR, and are seeking immersive multiplayer experiences. Also, those who enjoy competitive social gaming. They reach these users via platform stores like Quest Store, Steam, as well as digital marketing, trailer, influence campaigns, and gaming events. To maintain strong customer relationships, Vinci invests in community engagement using forums, Discords, where the continuous updates, listening to feedback, matchmaking, reader boards, and support, which are used to help retention partners mainly associated. By combining a well-curated launch with ongoing live operations, the aim to keep players involved and foster loyalty.
Let's talk how they make money and what powers them behind the scene. Their revenue streams likely include upfront game sales, premium pricing for titles like Blacktop Hoops, as well as in game purchases or cosmetic skins, avatars, etc. They may also earn from expansions, DLCs, licensing deals, or brand partnerships with sports or hardware companies. But to stop that, they need strong key resources, a talented dev team, skilled in VR, a robust tech stack, graphics, physics, networking, their game, IP, and the community itself. Their key activities are centered around game development, design, coding, multiplayer systems, QA systems, live ops, marketing, and business development to forge partnerships.
Finally, let's see who they are partnering with. They have multiple cost revenues and multiple cost devices from software to the hardware. And from the software, they were hardware, they were dependent on my Oculus Quest and Steam engines, etc. And for hardware manufacturers, marketing influencers, and possibly sports brands or in licensing. Also, investor network like One Combinator is also a part of their network. Their cost structure is heavily depending on research and development, team service, server infrastructure, marketing, and other Q&A support, licensing, and legal costs. In short, Vinci Games is building immersive social VR experiences with the ambition to scale in space that staff make quality content. That's the business model in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. We hope this gives you a quality of how VR startups have evolved in the current world.